So I got tired of having my black powder guns in all kinds of places, and they didn't look right. They weren't couldn't display them right. So Harbor Freight had this thing, and it was a good price. And I thought, you know what? I need a place to display, or just the easy access to my black powder revolvers. Ta-da! Check that bad boy out. These are all that's starting from the 47 Walker, 48 Dragoon, several 51s, some 60s right in there. And then the 58s are down in here. 358 conversion cylinders. Of course, I still have some up here too. They're kind of Griswold and another 51. So, yeah, but I thought this thing was perfect, ideal. Got it here next to all the guitars and stuff. So, lots of fun. Just a great idea for all us black powder guys who can never just have one.